Bola nakuha ni Herodias. Pass to Torres. Torres for 2. Bola for 2. Wala na siya. Rebound by Herodias. Herodias for 2. 2-0. Guarded by 2. Sa Guban. Alexis. For Vladimir. Mata. Pass to Kuya. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 10. Back to Mira. Shoot and Mata. Pass to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Try Mata for 2. And Juarez. Herodias. Herodias. Drive. Remata. Remata. Block by Sakuba. Nakuha ni Villa Flores. 5. Wala na shoot. Rebound. Nakuha ni Remata. Remata. Wala na shoot. Rebound. Nakuha ni Mira. Mira for 2. Wala na shoot. Rebound by Villa Flores. Pass to Remata. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Mira again. Juarez. Saka for 2. And Saka for 3. Wala na shoot. Sakuba. 5. Remata for 3. Villa Flores. Villa Flores. Back to Saka for 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala na shoot. Rebound by Villa Flores.